A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Friday's trading action at the Dalal Street dated March 4th, 2022. Our call of the day suggests that Nifty is in a perfect eye of the storm of uncertainty. The negative catalyst, negative impact of a prolonged Russia-Ukraine war on the global economy and inflation. That brings us to the breaking news of this Friday morning. The second round of talks with Russia is over, but it didn't deliver any results that Ukraine needed. Technically speaking, expect waterfall of selling below Nifty 16,407 mark. Below 16,407, the downside risks are seen at 16,203 and then at 15,901 mark. The Nifty options data for March series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,500 to 17,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 18,000 followed by 17,000 strike price. So the 17,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,500 levels followed by 16,000 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,500 and then at 18,000 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,600 and then at 15,000 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 38,000 strike price while maximum put open interest at 35,000 strike price. Overnight, crude oil prices topped $116 a barrel. Oil prices are trading at their highest levels since 2008, but yesterday's oil's rally lost some of its steam on rising prospects for an Iran nuclear deal that could add extra supplies. We, however, expect oil prices to move beyond $120 to $125 a barrel in the near term. Meanwhile, aluminium and copper prices have notched a fresh record high. Palladium prices have climbed to their highest levels in 6 months. That brings us to our chart of the day, which is very bullish on stocks like ONGC, Vedanta, National Aluminium and Hindalco with an interweek or intermonth perspective. We suspect Burma bulls will continue to tilt to commodity-related stocks like Hindalco, Vedanta and National Aluminium. Aluminium and nickel on the LME are at multi-year high on Russian supply threat. Please note, year-to-date, aluminium is already up 23% and that's on backdrop of surging 42% in 2021. Russia produces 6% of the world's aluminium and 7% of its mined nickel. If the Russia-Ukraine crisis heats up further, then we expect aluminium prices could hit the psychological $4,000 per ton from current levels of $3,450 per metric ton. Commodity prices are likely to move up as at the time of recording, there is little hope for Russia-Ukraine's war solution. Amidst this backdrop, we expect Bank Nifty to underperform severely. Bank Nifty's medium-term charts to look ugly. We expect upside likely to be capped for Bank Nifty at around 36,101 resistance level. Major support for Bank Nifty are placed at 34,019 mark. Below 34,019 mark, Bank Nifty could tumble to 31,901 mark. Stocks looking weak are Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Ashok Leyland, Polycab, Voltas. Meanwhile, the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has signaled that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates in March meeting, probably a quarter of point rate hike on cards. All eyes will be on the US non-farm payrolls for February to trickle in today at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.